Welcome. In this video I will show you how to adjust the sound volume on your LENOVO 14e Chromebook of the second generation. So first way, the visual one to do that is opening the control center in the bottom right corner of your device screen and moving the top slider you'll find right here. So moving it to the left will decrease your sound volume and moving it to the right will increase it. If you click the sound speaker icon, it will mute your volume. Or you can use the shortcut keys that perform the same function, which are located right here. So this one will increase your sound volume, this will decrease your sound volume, and this will mute or unmute your device's speaker, or rather only mute it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helps you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.